Hello beautiful people, would you believe I've made this beef burger at home from scratch? If you're interested to know how, let's get started. Here I have the minced beef and I'm going to add in salt, chili pepper and onion powder, and we're going to mix all this to combine properly. Mix it in such a way that every strand of meat is coated with the ingredients so that it will give you a tasty and juicy beef. And in my pan on heat, I added in little oil. Now let's fry the beef. We'll turn this into a ball shape and we'll drop it into the oil. By the way, if you want to know how I mince this beef at home with my blender, I have a recipe on that on my channel already. So we are making 5 beef burgers today and I have 5 meatballs. And look at how I'm using my spatula to stretch it, to extend it, so that when we place it inside the burger, it's not going to be lumped up in the middle. And we'll fry this for about 3 minutes each on both sides. We'll flip it to the other side. I used cheddar cheese. Now I'm going to bring it in. I just want this to sizzle in a little bit. And I'll gradually take them all off. I'm intentional so that they don't stick to each other. And here are our burger buns. I also made this from scratch. I will upload the video soon and we're going to cut this into 2. And I used the same oil I used to fry the beef for this because I want all the flavors and all the taste to go into the burger buns. We are going to toast this. If you don't want this, you can toast yours in a separate pan. Here we'll take them all off. And here I've already washed my lettuce and the tomatoes, and I set this lettuce aside to drain out all the water so that it wouldn't make our burger soggy. And I'm cutting the tomatoes. These tomatoes are so juicy and so sweet. They are very firm, and we'll set it aside. Here I have mayonnaise and ketchup, and I'm going to mix both of this to combine properly. And I'll also set it aside. And now it's time for assembling all our ingredients to have this yummy burger. And this is the base of our burger buns. And I'll spread out our meat, ketchup and mayonnaise, spread it over the burger buns. Now I brought in the lettuce. My children couldn't have enough of this. Everybody wanted more. They were like, can I make this every day? But of course I wouldn't have the time. And I placed in the tomatoes. And now I brought in the beef with the cheese. And I'll also spread out ketchup and mayonnaise on the upper burger buns. And we're going to cover them. Now this looks so yummy. This is a reminder that you can make all the juicy things you want for your family at home. Most times, eating out these days can be a Herculean task due to the cost involved. You can also make this at home and make your family feel happy, feel loved. I hope this video was helpful to you. Remember, at Glory Homemaker, we give you value for your time. And here is my own hand burger. Honestly, this tasted better than the store-bought, but you wouldn't know unless you try it out. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.